Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to send scanned documents to email using an easy method. First, prepare your document by placing it correctly on your scanner. Then, open your scanning software on your computer. You'll want to select the appropriate scan type, like document, and set a good resolution, perhaps 300 dots per inch, to ensure your text is perfectly readable. This initial step is crucial for a clear digital copy. After scanning, it's time to save your document. Select a widely compatible format like PDF or JPEG. Give your file a descriptive name, perhaps including the document type and today's date, so you can easily find it later. Save it to a location you'll remember, like your desktop. Aim for a file size under 10 megabytes to ensure it attaches and sends smoothly via email. Now let's get that document into an email. Open your email client, like Gmail or Outlook, and start a new message. Enter the recipient's address. Look for the Attach File or paperclip icon, which is typically located near the bottom or top of the email window. Click it, then browse to the folder where you saved your scanned document and select it to attach. Almost there. Before sending, craft a clear subject line, like Scan Document for Review. In the email body, add a short, polite message explaining what the attachment is. Take a moment to double-check that you've attached the correct file and that the recipient's email address is accurate. Once everything looks good, simply click the Send button to securely transmit your scanned document.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.